Hi, in this demo video, I want to show you the most powerful AI scribe for oncologists, and I'm going to show you why. We're going to go here where it says create templates, train AI with your custom templates, and here we're going to have a medical conversation. We're going to say this. Create a highly sophisticated template for oncology, write as many headers as you can, and try to make all of the headers highly compliant with billing in the United States. Now here, I am basically giving the AI a free ride. My instructions were pretty vague, but please, I want to highlight that you can ask the specific instructions and headers that you might need for your specific oncology template. Here, I want to show you what happens when you give vague instructions. And after that, after generating our oncology template, we will generate a synthetic encounter, a fake encounter that will basically resemble a patient conversation. And then we will use that template with that conversation to preview the note. Perfect. So here you go. Feel free to pause this video. Here, you cannot see entirely all of the instructions, but I want to emphasize that you can try this for free. You don't have to pay anything or add your credit card details. And I'm going to keep scrolling down, and you can see all of the headers here. As you can see, this is something that no other AI scribe has achieved before. We literally just had a medical conversation, and now here you can see that we even have a default physical exam template. And you can change all of this via voice. AI macros, basically just to explain you, let's say you during the patient encounter, you say Delta port placement. It will automatically insert this piece of text in the header that you prefer, right? So here now let's go ahead and click preview my AI note. And we're going to generate a synthetic encounter. However, we'd recommend you adding a real patient conversation so you have a high fidelity when it comes to an actual realistic note, right? So here let's click and say, generate a highly complex patient encounter, a fake transcript for an oncology visit. Try to ensure that all of the conversation between the doctor and the patient is highly comprehensive and that the patient's case is highly complex by nature. Remember, this should be an oncology visit. Let's click here, stop. Perfect, here you go. So here you can see this fake patient conversation. Feel free to pause the video if needed. So now we're going to use this fake transcript and we're going to use the template generator that I showed you previously. And we're going to click here where it says preview your note with this transcript and template. So now finally, you will get to see the result, right? Like, what are you able to generate with the template? Now, remember, you can sculpt the template as you want. The specific headers, you can drag the headers around, move them up or down, delete, add new ones, so that it really resembles your true style. And all of this, you don't have to make clicks or anything. It's all via voice. You saw me how I basically Just click the button, and then I just talk. You don't have to type. You don't have to. It really saves a lot of time when it comes to teaching the AI your specific style. And now here you go. And now bear in mind that you can also add bold letters. You can tell the AI, you know what, for the chief compliant section, make it added in bold, right? But here you can see the note that it resembles the headers that we ask. But now you're going to see some of them in blank, and you might ask why. The reason why it's blank is because during the patient conversation, there was no clinical information that the AI found to add that into that specific section. Feel free to pause this video. Here's the physical examination. This is the default one. And again, let's say there was an abnormality. The AI automatically interprets that and it changes the default physical exam. So all of that is managed for you. So you can see how it is extremely comprehensive. So now let's say you like this template. Here's even the billing attestation. You can, and once again, you can change anything, but now let's go ahead and let's close this here. And now simply we will do is here. Let's click here and save it, oncology template. Perfect. And now we click here where it says save template. And we're all set. So now here you have all of these default templates, but here I already had an oncology template for another video, but let's delete the previous one. So let's say now you want to use this template for your visit. You simply click here the plus icon, very simple. Add the name of your patient, John Doe. Then you start, it's very simple, just 3 steps, nothing else. Just even here, it even glows to show you where you have to click, so you don't have to worry. So click 1 step, start recording. Now you will typically start here recording with your patient, or if you want to preserve the privacy of your patient, you can simply dictate the encounter based on your memory, right? But here, let's say I stop talking right now, you can see how this little bar, blue bar, is indicating that there's some audio. So if I stop talking, you will see the live transcript as we speak. Perfect, you see? And it even adds the name, like guest 1, right? If your patient speaks, it will be guest 2 and you will be guest 1, and so on, right? And now if you finalize the encounter, again, just follow the glowing steps. It will guide you. Click here, step 2, and then finally select your template. Click here and you are all set. It will start generating the note. Now, if you want, you can remove all of these. You can see. You can remove all of these other templates if they are like just interrupting your site, or you want to have more a clean interface. And here it will process your note. Usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes to generate. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. And I promise that the quality of the notes will be something you have never seen before in any other AI Scribe. Thank you so much.